Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Chilli Yippee Noodles. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need 1 packet of Yippee noodles, about 2 cups of water, and your favorite chili powder. Don't forget some fresh vegetables like onions and garlic, plus a little cooking oil and a pinch of salt. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get those noodles cooking just right. Begin by bringing about 2 cups of water to a rolling boil in a medium-sized pan. Once the water is bubbling, carefully add your Yippee noodles. Let them cook for approximately 3 minutes. You want them to be tender but still have a slight bite, ensuring they don't become mushy. This step is crucial for perfect texture. Next, we'll create that delicious chili base. First, drain your cooked noodles, but remember to reserve about 1/4 cup of that noodle water. In a separate pan, heat 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Sauté your chopped onions and garlic until they are fragrant and turn a lovely golden brown. Then, stir in 1 teaspoon of chili powder and the Yippee tastemaker for a burst of flavor. Finally, let's bring everything together for a delightful meal. Add your cooked Yippee noodles directly into the pan with the chili mixture. Stir everything thoroughly, ensuring every strand of noodle is beautifully coated with that spicy goodness. If you prefer a slightly saucier consistency, add a little of the reserved noodle water. Garnish with fresh cilantro or spring onions and serve your hot, homemade Chilli Yippee noodles immediately. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.